सब ब्लैक यूज़ किया हूँ। एंड ज़मीन के लिए मैं यहाँ पे येलो एंड ग्रीन का यूज़ करूँगा।
7, 9, then 3, 2, 3. OMG, can't you see? 8, 4, 6, 2, 6, 4, 3, and now we're on a spree.
So today we are going to react on some of the best drawing videos I have seen on internet today. First video going on A5 sheet. That's small. What is drawing, man? Oh, I think he is drawing Lord Ram. Uh, I think he's beginner level because shadings are a little bit, but at least the measurements of eyes and nose and everything is great. Nice, Lord Ram. Too good. His measurements are perfect, by the way. Nice. It was good. Signature. Don't and do. How to draw eye. Oh, shading earbud. Again shading it. What was that? What is writing? Oh shit. How many numbers he is going to? Okay, I. Bye. Shadings are too good. That was good. Okay. He's using blue color. Aryan Verma Studios. A big shout out to you, by the way. Okay. He is using different type of colors to make something scenery type. I don't know. I'm literally bad with watercolors. Okay. Those clouds are looking too good, by the way. Okay, he's making home. Yellow and green for grass, of course. Okay, he's making road. It's looking good, by the way. Nice, it was. It's good.